What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I've not done a haul in a very long time, and here's me showing proof of the last time I purchased back in November. And I have these 3 boxes since, I don't want to say Mother's Day. I purchased a perfume, which is right here. So that's the first box that we're opening because it's the, I don't know, the oldest box in this little haul. So what I got was the Versace Dylan Purple in a 3.4 ounce, because I think they were doing like a Mother's Day sale on fragrances, so it was like 20% off. All I know that the price was $120 and I got it for like 90 bucks. So that's why I chose the large perfume. If not, I'm like, I don't know, a small fragrance type girly, because I just like love to buy fragrances. I don't like a huge bottle on my vanity. And the reason why I put this stuff to the side is because I just want to unbox everything, get the stuff out of the package, and then unravel the rest and show you all together. So I'm just gonna grab everything and I will catch up with you in a bit. This Dior Cica balm is a repurchase. I love this balm so much. I needed another mascara, so I chose the Diorshow Iconic Overcurl mascara. It's brand new. I'm not going to open it because I don't want anything floating around to attach to the wand. And this concealer, they are rebranding, and so I purchased the color Dark Sand in number 30. So I'm going to go back to another Dior product. I needed a brow styler, a little brow pen. My Gucci one is getting to the end of its use. So I was very surprised that this didn't come with a cap. Look at me, looking for a Dior cap. And it's built, these products are built so well. Like, you've seen me toss the mascara wand, it was pretty solid, as well as try to remove the cap for the brow brush. I could not. It was sealed so well. So that's why I was surprised that there was no cap for the actual mascara. And I bought the full size of the Laura Mercier Mini Pure Canvas Primer. And I'm just showing you what the Dior Cica Balm looks like if you didn't see that Dior unboxing video. This is Giorgio Armani Beauty's Luminous Silk Glow Blush in Ecstasy. It was brand new back in April when I purchased it. I'm not sure if they consider it new still, but it was when the eclectic, the hot pink blush was very popular. So I'm going to start seeing a lot of those bright pink blushes from now on. It's very similar to the Glow Blush by Dior. And now I'm just going to show you what the Versace Dylan 3.4 bottle is looking like. And on to our third and final box, which is from makeupforever.com, because when I was shopping on Sephora's app, I noticed that they no longer are selling the Ultra HD concealer. So I purchased a number that they never had on Sephora's website. You only could get it on makeupforever.com. And I noticed that they were both selling the same concealer brand for the sale price of $15. So basically I got 2 for the price of 1, because they've reformulated now into their HD Skin Matte. And because I previously owned the Ultra HD powder, I knew that I needed to make sure I had another sponge on deck. So that's what it was, a HD Skin Matte Velvet Sponge, as well as 2 Ultra HD Setting Powder Puffs. That's what was in that little small square. I just didn't want you to think that it was a separate eyeshadow or something. Just showing you some samples they gave me. And this is the side-by-side comparison. Which one do you think is cinnamon and which one do you think is dark sand? I also got this large brush to buff out any extra powder because I did get a first-time buyer's discount. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.